Hello everyone, welcome back to our 200 days Python series. In today's video, we are going to learn about assignment operator in Python. Assignment operator are used to assign a value to variable and store them in a sorter and cleaner way. By the end of the video, you will understand all assignment operator within a real world examples. So let's get this started. What is assignment operator? Assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable. Most common assignment operator is the equal sign. So we use some example. So this is a symbol of a equal sign, or we are using here we are using a example. So we are writing here x equal to 10 and print x. Here the value 10 is stored inside the variable x. The equal sign does not mean equal to in the programming. It's mean assign the value to the variable. Okay. And the result will be 10. No. Okay. Simply we are using my name. I am using my name. You are also use your name. Okay. Now name is equal to Tanya. Print name. So we are assigning the value Tanya to the variable name. When we print the variable, Python displays stored value, so the result will be Tanya. Okay. Now we are using add and assign value. We are score is equal to 50 and score plus equal to is equal to 20. That print score. Okay. So score plus equal to 20, that means score equal to score plus 20. Python first take the current value of score, add 20 and store the new value back into the same variable. So the result will be 70. Okay. We are using some real world example. Wallet equal to 1000 and wallet plus equal to 500 and print wallet. Huh? Okay. So you had 1000 in your wallet, then someone gave you 500. Now your wallet have a 15,000. I mean 1500. Sorry. Okay. This is the result. Okay. We are use subtract and assign value. Balance equal to balance equal to 5000. Balance minus 1200 and print balance. Okay. The balance minus equal to 1200, that means balance equal to balance minus 1200. The amount is deducted from the balance. Okay. Imagine your bank account has a 5000. You withdraw 1200. Now your remaining balance is 38,000. Let's check it here. We will move to next topic. Multiply and assign. Okay. Salary salary equal to 10,000, and salary into 2 and print salary. Okay. Salary into 2 into salary into equal to 2, that means salary equal to salary into 2. The salary becomes double, so the output is 20,000. And divide and assign, we will move to next topic. Divide and assign. Amount equal to 100, and amount by equal to 4, and print amount. Okay, so the value is divided by 4 and stored back into the same variable, so the result will be 25.0. Now we will move to floor division and assignment. Like marks equal to 25 equal to marks by 2, and print marks. Okay. Floor division, remove the decimal part. 25 is divided by 2 is equal to is 12.5. So floor division returns only 12. Modulo and assign. We will move to next topic. Modulo and assign. Number equal to 17, and number modulo 5, and print number. So 7 modulo 5 gives the remainder is 2. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Bye bye. See you later.